We are in lab 6. So today we want to compare the evaporation rate of 4 different liquids, including water, alcohol, oil, and salty water over time. So from 1 to 9 minutes by increment of 1 minute. So we want to see which liquid has been evaporated faster. So imagine all 4 liquids have been exposed to the same temperature, for example 100 Fahrenheit. So just to compare them or plot the evaporation rate gives us a chance to visually compare them and understand better the behavior of each liquids over time, and to compare one by other one, which one is evaporating faster. So to plot this data, that we have 5 different columns. Column D has time in minutes, column E water, column F alcohol, and till column H that has a sea water. So we have all different data. So we want to have x-axis the time and y-axis the evaporation rate. So we just click on any of the empty cells on the right side here. Then we're going to insert. So from insert you can see this all type of plots that you have. So the best type is a scatter plot for us. We just click on them. The second scatter plot that has dots with the connected line, so we just click on it. So this box will open. We drag it on the right side. Then we go to select data. So chart data range. So we just select, for example, this water for us. This is a series 1 name. We are selecting the name would be water, and we have x-axis. So the x value would be time. We want to see the evaporation rate over time. Then we have y-axis. Y-axis, what was that? It was amount of water or any liquid that has been left. And now we have water name, x-axis that has been given, y-axis has been given. Then here in show empty cells as connected dot points. Then we press OK. Then will show us. If you want to add different elements, you can do different elements here. But let's see. Now is the water. So in that data select, so we have water. You can have series 2. When you go to the series 2, you can again select range and name, x-axis. It's the first time I'm working with Mac, but if you are working with Excel, is much easier and faster and better, and I like Excel in Windows much better than Mac. So I'm not sure, hopefully it will work this one, because we are adding the second one as alcohol. So I don't know why the water is disappeared, but doesn't matter. Now okay, this is just alcohol. You can maybe drag, make it one by one, or sometime when you want to compare, just you can click here, Control C, then Control V, and we have another one. Just click on the plot and the data will show here. Just drag the amount of alcohol to water, drag them, so you will have again data for water. This is alcohol, this is water. When you want to plot them, you should have x-axis and also y-axis. So to have a title for each axis, so you will just click on it. It comes to the design a chart or chart design. Click on the chart design. You will come add chart elements. When you go add chart element, you can add a lot of different features or properties to your plot. For example, if you want to go for horizontal, primary horizontal, the axis title, we put it time, minutes. Let's do for vertical. What we had amount, let me put in milliliter. So if you want to change the font, just once click on the plot and you go to home, change the size. For example, we make it Times New Roman, but I like it better. Times, okay. Or we make them also different color, or you can enlarge it. So the simplest way that you can do, you can just select all of them and go to insert and recommendation chart. When do recommendation chart gives you a lot of different options, but sometimes hardly you can find what you want, because for example, this is showing the chart time on vertical and amount on horizontal, but still you can have good estimate how fast each one is changing. I hope that helps you to demonstrate, so you have in sheet 1 your own data that you can plot it.